Okay, so I'm going to be multiplying 44 hundredths times 3 wholes. And as you can see, I have grids, hundredths grids in front of me, and also my place value chart that I will be using when I multiply and I try to figure out my product. So the number that I'm going to be repeating is 44 hundredths. And I know that I'm repeating that number because it's multiplication, which is repeated addition. Now this 4 represents the tenths place value. So I'm going to do 4 tenths, which would be a whole rod. This is now 2 tenths. This is 3 tenths. This is 4 tenths. I just got done representing the 4 in the tenths place value. Now I need to represent the 4 in the hundredths place value, which would be this one. And that would be the squares. 1 hundredth, 2 hundredths, 3 hundredths, 4 hundredths. And I know that I'm going to repeat it 3 times, because that's the whole number that I'm multiplying by. So I do that again. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths. 1 hundredth, 2 hundredths, 3 hundredths, 4 hundredths. That's 2 times. I gotta do it one more time. And since I ran out of space, I have to use the grid right next door. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths. That's the first number here. 1 hundredth, 2 hundredths, 3 hundredths, 4 hundredths. That's my second number. Now I have to figure out my product, or in other words, what's my answer? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my place value chart to count all of my tenths and all of my hundredths. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 tenths. So in my place value chart here, I have to put 12 tenths. But just like with addition, regular addition, I would have to carry the 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry it over to the next place value on the ones, or in other words, my wholes. Now I can count my hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 hundredths. So under my hundredths place value, I'm going to write my 2. And again, just like with regular addition, I have to carry the 1 over to the next place value. So I don't have 1 and 22 hundredths. I have 1 and 32 hundredths. And that's how I would figure that out using my grids and my place value chart when I'm multiplying times a whole number.